When it comes to reproduction, there is no creative interpretation. It's your job to faithfully recreate what the customer gave you. By the time you're done with this course, you're going to be able to tackle just about any image out there and get outstanding results. Not only do we show you how to color separate these images, we now take those designs and we get them on press. We go through all of it with you. And then how to go back and adjust your colors. We're going to start off with showing you how to color separate basic spot color images, breaking an image into their constituent colors. We're going to show you index separations, image size resolution, meaning dot size. We're going to show you a full breakdown of how to create a simulated process image, white base, color generation, black generation. We're going to show you how to separate a grayscale image into just 4 screens. Come along, join us for the ride. We're happy to have you here.